for life. Burn it down to the ground. What about the first time I chat channel? Subscribe, like and share. Take what you take and go do what it is. It. So watch a movie and tell me what you think. Let's go. Somebody come get some of just some lucky door. I don't in the house too much car. I know why your man come across here. I know what you good saying there too.
So what is for now?
I feel baby.
So what do for me?
Hello. You tell us, just for your shop long time and I never try to open it back again. You see, if you open the shop and the baby jump out, I don't ask back for your shop again. So you want to know. That for the baby, you see whoever going in the shop,
I never ask you who they going in my shop. I ask you want me to film it. So nobody business about who are going in my shop.
I don't
I done your baby mother already. You know? Like nothing can change that for that. You know?
Yes. Yes, that I hear that now change. And me will play my part as a good father. But me not want in the mix up. Me not give you money.
That good make it stay.
Me woman want money, you know. Who you think that she rich?
You said that good make it stay.
Alright.
Have a nice day.
But you alright though? As a sister-in-law, I go give you money one at a time when the money comes.
You not just for me and him no day.
No.
So okay, sister-in-law come
No, when I say sister-in-law.
have a nice day.
Ex-sister-in-law.
Then that's why you put in the ex, honey.
Yeah man.
Later.
Well anyway, where baby there?
Have a nice day.
Where baby?
Papa Auntie Jen.
You must have the pitney right hand.
The baby there for my auntie, there for Auntie
no,
Jen.
but me like him with the right hand.
Auntie Jen daughter have a birthday party and she's there.
You see, detect. That means yes, what she had to call it bad.
Go on here.
Alright.
Come on, knife for them and pick the cat.
I'll try to get my breed, you know. Small, you know. I'll try to get my breed.
Saying I can't breed him, it's not too late.
No, I know what that is gone late. Me not family one.
It's not too late, I can't breed him.
I'll try to get my breed.
Do it like royalty and keep it in my family.
Now this is royalty and I'm over.
Anyway, sister. So you say breed now, you're good?
Yeah, I'm going to go on it. This side one. I'm going to go drink to juice and play.
Alright, dear Timmy. You say you don't have no responsibility for your love on the road. Wait till they hold you and breed you. You don't want to see road again. Alright, I'm going to sleep. Sleep, man.
Sister.
Oh, what?
What? You can't get 1,000 at that money I just get.
You not hear the man, hello me pick the money. You not hear the man pinpoint for him pick the money. Me shop lock on him so me not get none. Come out of my room.
Listen
to me now. No, you not chatting to me, say get out of my room. So come out now, come out now. Pull up my door back at you. Can they say a man pick the money, you still come on. What make I say so? Oh. You understand you come here 6 days ago, you know? 6 days ago you come here. No. You You take my money out of my bag.
Girl, me not know you.
And you take my money out of my bag, girl. Me know say you take my money out of my bag. Cause my money missing and I come back a yard. Normally if you left the yard in the day, you come back in the night. You don't come back in the yard. Girl, you take my money out of my bag. You say, anyway, if I find my money, you can't give me a fine, you can't give me a picnic for mine. You go carry my money, can't give me, I'm done talk with you. Me say, yeah, I go carry my money, can't give me, and stop watch me and my baby father and for your business that. And for your business that. Carry my money, can't give me. You're not gonna like when me I go there. So me pick me up and me don't want to say anything to you. But carry money. Look a girl. Why you carry my money, can't give me. You need to find a man who can mind you. I need me think them alone. Carry my money, can't give me, look a girl. Daddy, she need to carry my money, can't give me.
I don't sound good enough. I'm in a grown or something. You get me?
Daddy, the girl don't come here 6 years ago.
Listen to me, a roadside.
She take my money. I want my money.
Go, you want to go inside, I want to talk about something decent, they are better than that. So now they're on the roadside,
she now come over because she take my money.
Do not.
She now say party because I have to get back my money from you. Come on, babe. Oh, what's school today? You enjoy school today?
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you do at school today?
Grandma song.
Sister.
I write the song.
What?
Girl, you have to go on top of the road.
What do you mean by me never have to go on so? You know say I'm me alone with my picnic. Father hardly give me things. And I can't believe I really coming up and take out my money for
sorry.
me. So how me go get back my money?
I go try to make you get it back.
Sit down with me here, talk. Me and your sister. We don't need to the tea for one another things. Anything you want, you ask me for. And stop talking to the careless boy, I can't give you nothing. You don't want that. You want to end up like me? When man breed and gone left him picnic? Eh? You want to end up like me?
No, sir.
You need to settle down yourself, man, and go look work. Me have to work for my picnic, you know? Me have to work for my picnic. When the father can't say enough for you, me can't say enough for me. So you have to know what you do. And me not go talk to you again, I'm go want back my money. Me don't know what you go do, but you go want back my money.
I go try to get it back.
Do that and make me get back my money. And my friend a call link me. So you have to just, when she call me, you know that go, because she depend on her way I come already.
No, me go and I'm going to say
Do you right, but just know say me want back my money.
Girl, some of the time you're too mean and too stingy with money. That's your baby father left you. And gone there with one rich woman. And that's why the time that's I'm take you and put it to good use.
You have the heart to sit up on my bed and tell me say, me stingy with money. And that's why my baby father left me and there with other girl. Because I'm stingy with money. So that girl alternative to teach me money.
You know, get other.
Listen, me and my baby father business and my business that fear. So come out of me and my baby father business and the fear business. And that girl come out of my room. Come out. Because that girl alternative to teach me money. You're a thief, you're a little thief. Come out of my room. Come out. You're a little thief. That's all me know. Come out, you're thief, you. Damn thief. You don't know you're thief, so. What happened? Come here, wait for you. I can't come here, man. You good? I mean, I'm look at dirty sister at it a while ago, man. A girl thief, I can't put on no hand in no thiefy. I can't buy no new clothes and she no thiefy. By tomorrow morning, I see her in a them. I don't know what I don't tell me about that time my baby father left me. I don't know what do her. Anyways, this is what I talk to you about. You can't go on to the girl. You see, the boy fire, he really diss me for true enough. Fire diss me, I tell a girl. Fire diss me. Because my sister can't talk to me anyway in this house here. Fire diss me. But me know karma. Because that the girl when pick up no more than me. You know say a girl flat like bucket cover. She no more than me, but wait. Karma, me cock your ears, baby. Yeah, cock your ears. Karma. Let me not say 40. Me I go link it tomorrow. Because me have a plan. Me and me plan something. Alright, my friend. Have a nice day.
Yeah, man, you too.
I go and visit with my daughter.
Alright.
Yeah. Anyways, baby. Alright.
Yeah. Mommy, what do you mean by daddy this year?
You don't understand, you're too young. When you go to school, go take your book here. You're not going to understand what mommy you go through. You understand? So when you go to school and take your book and make mommy proud, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, my baby. And what you learn at school today?
Some.
Song?
Yeah.
Okay. You did enjoy the song?
Yeah.
Alright, my dad.
Yeah.
Alright? What you want to see your birthday?
Huh?
What you want to see your birthday?
I'm just going to tie stuff for my birthday.
Huh?
Going to tie stuff for my birthday.
You want to go to Tides Club for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all you want to do for your birthday?
Yes. And go to beach too.
You want to go to the beach in the morning? And then you want to go to Tides Club, that's what?
That's all going.
But then you're going to go? Girl, me just stay up and talk to my daughter and normal. Anyways, you know what I say? I want you to do something for me. I'm going to go country with your daddy, go deal with something. So your godmother is going to keep up for the weekend until Monday, okay?
Yes.
Okay, and what do you want me to bring back for you?
A big bar.
You want a big what?
Big truck.
You want a big truck? Okay. Anyways, you can carry on now, yeah? Go with your godmother.
Come on.
Later, yeah? Mommy love you.
Kiki.
Yeah. Come here.
This is for going on.
Yeah, girl. For last night, me and Migs, you know. Come here, I messed up whole night last night and I met. You see, fire? You will do anything in this world for you people. Anything. So me have a plan. You did tell me say you have house down at St. Elizabeth. You remember? St. Elizabeth far enough. I'm go make a take my daughter for the weekend and carry down there. Yeah?
Alright.
And you see, I go make it like a small call him and do some, you know, like somebody capture him. You see me, so I thought like somebody capture my daughter and then go on money.
Yeah.
You see me, and me I go share the money there. Because he not do nothing for me, girl. He not do nothing for me. I pick the one, I pick the alone, but wait, I have a plan for him. Can this me remember, this me for bucket cover, girl, you know.
But now this my friend and get away.
Alright. So when you take clear for me, I'm going to go call him. I remember some of the drama school and I met me good at it and I met the ball. I said, why? Girl, I'm good at it. So, you know what I say? You're supposed to pick up Leah and carry her home. So when you pick up Leah and carry her home, you come here. You see me?
Alright, does make
So me can say the baby did out in the yard. And you see me? But you know when we do anything in this world for him, so
yeah,
mission have to accomplish. That is it, my friend. So you can come back later when the baby come. You shut up on your phone and you do the one up some forward and pick her up. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Alright, my baby.
Alright.
Later. Yeah. Me call you and make you know when she come.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Tiffany!
Hi.
You see baby?
No, Sam.
Girl, but me tell her for me I got rid of me tell her for what the baby for me. No, the baby can't sign.
But me never
The baby not in the yard, girl. What me I go do? What me I go do? Me can't sign him and pick me.
So,
Jesus
hold on.
Christ. Me look everywhere, but can't find him and pick me.
You sure
What
say
me
that,
I go
Abby?
do? He baby gone. He gone. He love him. Why? Why? Why are they gone? Call him for me.
Where my number? Where my number?
Leave for me. Why?
Then come.
Why? Why? Why?
Come.
Where daddy there? Daddy!
Come
Daddy!
I'm gonna look for you.
Call daddy for me, call daddy.
Me have to one this one. Me have to.
Why?
See that here? Daddy, come this up.
Why? Daddy, baby there.
Where is your car?
Me don't know what we baby. Me don't know.
Which baby missing?
Your granddaughter.
Why?
You must not understand. So you just sit down about where's it?
Me don't know, mommy. Me don't see him coming and
Warm tea,
Me
baby.
tell you watch the baby, me are gonna hear it, and the baby can't find.
But me never there.
Califano. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Baby. Baby, go. I can't miss that at all.
Wow, go on.
You be happy with her. You be happy with her.
How come? I lie. How come you John, man?
You be happy. You be happy talking to me. Can't talk.
He said, baby, me come home and can't find him.
How come you can't find the baby? Didn't I drop off the since even going on?
Why?
What?
Didn't I drop off the baby this evening there?
I'm telling me sister watching me at the room and I come back and you know there.
So instead of watching baby, they watch the baby sister?
Me say me did
Oh God.
Oh, yo, but that's how a driver come. Me calling you. But that's how forward.
Alright.
Why? Baby don't come back. Me keep me say, oh God.
You can't say that.
Oh God. Why? Why? Why?
Sister, that one son of man.
Baby. Why?
Sister, don't worry yourself. I go out and go check on me about dancing. No worry yourself. Just no worry yourself, here.
Why? Hello. Emily.
Yeah,
What happened?
nothing there.
Girl, me say, what my plan, you come right through. One of them fall for. Yes, girl, they fall for you. Anyways, that the one they send there, anyway from Sava come link me. So, when you link me, I go text you and you call my phone and change your voice and tell them how much money I have to pay to get back in that and no police and anything there.
Yeah, man.
Just change your voice and say, hello, sir, I'm here for daughter. I have to pay such and such money to get her. You see me? Just change it, rough it up. Yeah. Alright, my girl, just pick up yourself, you see me?
Yeah, man, you too.
When me text you, you send off a call
look
same
up
time.
here.
Nah, man. Alright.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Who that?
I'm me. Open the door. Open the door.
Here come.
Ready?
Who that? Me a come.
Open the door.
Girl, you can't call
Got
me.
it straight.
In the door. Call now.
Where's that going now?
Baby, miss her.
How come baby missing?
I left the baby with my sister go to the road, left the baby and I'm call. We can't find the baby. One road place so me can't
Where you
find
go?
the baby.
Where you go?
Down a shop. The baby one Lasco. I'm go buy one Lasco, one big Lasco. And we can't find the baby.
The baby, I know one baby go left for time. You tell her to stay in here?
No, me tell her to stay with her auntie.
Where her auntie there?
Me call. Me tell her.
Carla, what's she there?
Tiffany!
Tiffany down the road. Tiffany walk up and look like a man smart. Tiffany there.
You gonna look for your baby.
So, oh, you know, out that look for the baby. What you do yesterday?
Me tell her someone around the whole place and look for your baby. Me can't find the baby. Me can't
So
find the baby.
strange.
You can't find.
How much time I tell you already, you know? So do not let the baby at. Can you see me someone like
Leave
this?
the baby with my sister fire.
Alright,
that, man.
yeah.
Me not leave the baby on your own.
So you see nobody not here suspicious for what they are lurk on the place? You see nobody a search on the place, lurk on the place?
My father gonna look for him and my sister gonna look.
Can't have to be more vigilant, you know. You're not very vigilant, you can't left nothing to time and now because of all the things that go on the white market, the black market, the pink market, all the market, them things that go on everything I sell out now. Like Jamaican everything I sell out. What's in it?
Hello?
Yo,
Who this here?
you need to know who this. So if you want to see your picnic again, bring $2 million come.
Where we get it from? Where we get it from?
If you know where you go get it from.
We want to repeat it, you know.
Don't talk $2 million by 3 days time. If you not get him dead.
Yo, mama. Yo, we not no money.
So me don't talk $2 million in 3 days later.
Oh God.
You know the device. You listen, bro. You listen the device a while ago. You hear the device? You know the bad if you listen to the device.
He say, yo, you want more million or
What am I going to do still? I have to go up on the road. I go up on the road and we go try some money because I come up. Listen me now, calm down. Listen me now. Mama, listen now. They want money, right? Right? But then I said we can't call the police. You know, so we don't call the police, you know. He say $1 trillion. We can get the money, let the police go feed it, find them, and burn them skin, burn them skin. Burn their skin. You must say nothing about police. You hear that a while ago? He say $1 trillion. So we go make police burn their skin. We call the police right now. I go call the police. Let's listen to the car. Right. Call about. They tell me discount, man. Discount, man. You know what's up?
Yo,
Hello?
let me tell you something now. Okay, I must take man free that. No police involved. No police.
So
3 days time, $2 million.
You can't get one.
Discount way. Yo, no police, $2 million, 3 days time later.
No, sir. Supposed to have more borrows of money. This is top bad. Top bad. But you see, when you go for that pit, they will go find out. Oh, anybody when you go get the money, but try. Alright? You know, much money can find that too. Mama, no. You can't there work out your body, son, no money. No money at all.
I work out my body. Me dey send my picnic to school.
And me a spend the money. How you say I
You
spend?
hardly spend.
Me spend my money.
But you will give money for go to school. You dey give me money for go to supermarket fee. No. You not do that.
But mama say
If I did not do that, my picnic would miss it. I would have to go shop go buy in Alaska.
I'm not that it. But you have man.
Me don't have no man live here.
No, but
So
the man
if
go.
put you off
No,
your
the
picnic.
man go and he come. Me no want buy things
my
that
man, my man
do.
can't make life easy for you.
No,
Make
but,
your picnic alright.
No,
You
but
can't make because a man you not buy grocery for your picnic.
but here what?
Brother, me no want that for me head. Me just want back my picnic. So come on for that right now. My picnic more.
But you know, me go find $1 million and you find 1 million because I know your consequences be able left for your Kevin and my care more than find the whole of the money.
See me in the order go on.
No, listen now.
Nobody would go on.
I bring the baby here, come here and save 10 finger, 10 toes.
If you did buy things to the picnic, them would have to go down and no supermarket to get the last stuff in a picnic. So the
Listen.
come stick this for me, the on YouTube.
But I am doing
You
my
have to go
part.
find the money for your picnic, come
I'm
on.
doing my
You have to
part.
go find the money, because if you not find the money for me get back my picnic, you and your woman in a misery up there, me tell you.
Listen.
You don't talk to
Any
me.
little man where come in your corner, you whisper in the ear that and find $1 million.
Me say you go find
Where
your
go find it from?
picnic.
I cannot find $1 million.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
We go try.
Yeah, they with the
Am I
richest
that-
girl
No,
about the community.
she's not rich.
Yeah, I go find
She
the
not rich.
Listen to me now, man. Listen to me. Yeah, go find the money to
She
check
not
out.
dead right now. She not dead. Bam,
And where you in her?
No,
If
me
she
not
not
money.
dead, where you in
She
her?
not dead too.
Okay.
Me not
You
dead,
need
so
to get money
We
to
go try. Listen up. Calm down. I don't make money. I don't have
So
a money
money you
machine.
have now?
Money no grow up and
What
tree.
money you have now?
Me no know much money. I'm not going to my yard. Go check up my saving pan. Because me only live from day to day. And me look at money. No what you care. No what
you
you
never
put.
take a look at the money where you put in on the savings fund come buy grocery for your picnic.
No, the penny
Look
alright.
into this.
The penny
Look.
alright.
Look
Okay,
into
me
this.
me buy everything
If you
in
used to
school.
go to supermarket.
No, listen.
Listen
You have, you that,
You
video,
listen.
you have a
If you
ton
used to
of
go to
there.
supermarket and if you go to supermarket and I bring the things in here for the picnic, would I forgot shop for buy that
Yeah,
stuff?
what?
No.
I take care of the kids. I just
What you do? What you call it?
Alright. Lunch money straight
Clothes
through.
and me buy clothes.
No,
You not buy clothes. You
Listen.
not buy clothes.
Listen.
You take clothes for your look ugly woman when she go overseas
Listen.
and give me picnic and me dash for them.
Them
bum.
that Nubian clothes.
Me no want
Yes.
them. No girl man, me no want.
Alright, anyway, me not done for that. Me done for the talking there now. Listen me.
Me picnic me want.
That is not the
Me
argument at all.
picnic me want.
So, why never can the baby go shop with them?
What you mean when me never carry the baby? More or you go shop for me picnic get something for eat.
That people love run up and down. You
Stop
can't run
asking
fast
why,
on him.
stop asking
In that
why.
run, go shop with that run, come back. You know fast like a sheep. Me I tell you what she stand. She's
Let's talk and try to get the money
But
for the
no,
picnic
listen me.
come out.
But me I say to you too. I know what I'm capable of doing. I'm gonna try my best. But you have to help too. You have to help too.
If me not have it where you want me do.
You have to help too.
If me not have it where you want me do.
You have to help too. Alright, so anyway, I get a call and I'm going to hear what I say now. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man. No, I know why you're concerned. I fear I know why you're concerned. I know why you're concerned.
Yeah. What? With a Japanese woman, we carry the tools. Not woman going here. I'm not paying not even $1. Everything I have to find. Watch me. Yeah, I find out where I money coming out. I find loan. May I get money? May I get money? Yeah. May I come? May I come? May I come here?
No, me.
Oh God, may I
Just
do?
everywhere.
Oh, baby, oh God, baby, baby.
Me search everywhere. Me do cardboard.
They call me.
Who call
I
her?
said me have to pay much money to make him baby.
Much money.
Oh God, his father go on the money for me to get him. They say we can't involve no police or it's
I'm gonna try to make some
okay,
link.
baby. Alright.
I'm gonna try to make some link.
Alright, sister. Go on your room, go lie down.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh God. Oh God, baby. Why?
Sister, si tu bukan yang can't put
What is I
one.
gonna do?
I put you, I put towards it.
2 million to get back your baby. What is I gonna do? Thanks anyways. Oh
You try to
God.
find something else.
Oh God. Oh God. Alright. Come back, what's up with you? Care one go give me picnic and drink all out. Nice. Whoa.
But if you think of it, to your friend then. In jealous over here, now only for him take your picnic.
My friend over here, there is a man of a baby, a man call me.
Man call you.
Yes, it's a man call me, so we have to pay the money. Whoa.
Yeah, no, me can't think of this. Kiki.
Yeah, come in, it's my friend there. My friend will take my baby. So my friend can't take my baby, my baby. My baby miss.
Me have run on my room.
Alright. Alright. Oh God. I said, we get a money. What is the word? What is that? The 2 million. What is that?
Yeah,
You can go take a drink. Yeah, that is it. And drink a rum. Because I saw me drink rum and ball more. Girl, me don't want me get the jersey from them. Come. If you have them, I come. But I fire. But babes. That's not babes to me. It's when them come. It's not back clear. See me? See me? You're right. See me and I say.
Is that something to say?
I dream when we do a fool. Why? wait, me get the money. And the talk about me, I have to put half on him, but I say, if you ever have to talk about half, you and your baby and your woman up there now go live in peace. But everything, I don't talk with.
Sis, I'm sorry for what going on. I'm in niece, I love him. So if people them say I go on.
Yes, so we have to pay how much hard, million and how much hard to get my daughter.
Make sure me did have money for help you.
Don't worry yourself, man. Your father go deal with it here. I can't call no police, no, none of them people that I can't involve in it. And just me and my baby father won't go help me with the money. Otherwise, I can't call no police. Then the time say they go kill me, pick me. I have to carry the money for by now on Friday. I don't know where I'm going. But if father work for next to me, just go and lie down and relax.
Alright then, me I go sit in there. I go in a room and see if I can try to get some money for help.
Hello?
What?
You good?
Yeah, I'm there.
Girl, me say man, I hunt for the money, brother. You just a hunt for the money, dog. I'm gonna wait for them to carry up. Of course. Then you want back in pay me. You have to hunt for, of course.
What you tell him?
I'm tell him 250,000.
150,
Yeah. 500,000. That's very good, girl. No yourself. So you're good differently.
Yeah man, me check up on night you know.
Alright, my girl. But that's why you call him when I didn't dare. So no, don't get it.
You can call it. Wait, me would have called link in but me I deal with you. You can call link me.
Alright, me go forward.
Alright.
Yeah.
What is that?
I'm flying this.
Huh?
You're train out here, so I just fly. If you have dog, you can catch it too.
The beauty?
Outside?
Yeah. Wow, we can light up.
Yeah. You can't go light up outside, so you have to stay in here.
Emily! What? I'm there.
But I take this one.
Hey!
See mommy here. Now, over mommy. Wait, that's not open. Go and go over mommy.
You don't miss me? Huh? You don't miss me?
Yeah. Yeah. What melodies?
Mother have gone from the road for doing something. To come back.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's something there.
Yeah, baby, I cannot miss mommy. Do you not miss me?
Yeah. Yeah, put it out. Why?
Anyways, what going, girl?
I'm gonna play it.
Play with this air? Mommy soon come.
I'm gonna take you.
We're not going to fair again here?
I'm gonna take you.
Look out, pray, tap, pray.
I'm gonna take you.
Nothing like you do. So what? I'm going.
You get half your money already, you get the next half. But they think you have money, you don't have no money, man. You not rich like how you are talk. You feel me?
You don't have money?
Would I get it long time? You may do that for a wait.
Worry yourself, money, you have money. So I'm getting come on, feel cut out tight.
Yeah, man, you're getting cut out tight, man. Don't worry yourself. Hold on, you don't understand it. Hold on. Hello! Keep down the knife for me. What are you doing? Keep the knife down. Yeah. Girl, you think legit, man. You see me? Because I'm going to get the money and the money I go come through. You see me? So, where's the feel gone?
Worry yourself about that, man. But how will you even come up with that idea?
Yeah, just like easy yourself, but I know I'm going to have a bed for my brain. I made for my body, man, you know?
Yeah, man.
And for me, sister, when I had enough, you know? Everything you want in everything you want in you don't have to worry yourself, girl. The police not going to involve. Yeah, man, I tell you, you don't have to worry yourself. The police not going to involve. Just not make me baby go on the road. You're good.
No, I don't
Exactly.
know. I don't like police already.
Everything legit. The police not going to involve. You see me? But my sister and I had, man, every time I go on the phone, I see that. Come to me, boy. If I didn't have the money, I would have helped you. Help me, Rafi, you know, do nothing more than thief my money. Me I tell you. She right, anyways, come on for that, but I got angry that boy. Because he not give me nothing. He buy the things and he pick me and put the money in my hand. So I got angry him and I got share money. Yeah, I buy now tomorrow a deadline, you know, I might get it before tomorrow and I love him pick me. I go get it before tomorrow, but I don't even care where I want to get it from. I could have been selling, I go sell part-time or thief. You have to get the car and give me. Yeah. Girl, when I put down the tears, them and I tell him what go on and me I'm bad. Yeah, yes, he believes everything I say. Yeah.
Then you have to believe him. I say, girl, I used to actually know to be a thing.
So yes, you're going to Grace and you know.
My mother may wait and come back to me.
I forgot to tell me that she gone and I come and leave.
You probably call in Kenya and live.
Yeah. Just make sure my daughter good on it, please. You see me?
And get
I'm here one day look serious prank car there, serious joke. I don't want my daughter get kidnapped.
Not to worry.
Yeah, man, make sure she good.
Your daughter for me, daughter same.
Alright, now.
Kiki! Wait, hold on. You want to treat a good one here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You eat already?
Yeah.
You feed ya? From when?
Yeah.
You sure say alright?
Yeah.
Make sure you know why everybody I look for you. You sure say alright?
Yeah.
See you now, Miss Daddy.
Yes, but mommy come here every day.
You sure say Mama come here every day?
Yes.
See you now, Miss Daddy.
Yes.
See you now, Miss Daddy.
Until I 3 days before I come home.
So you come around here, when you come back around here, you go come look for me?
No.
Why?
You don't know why.
You not come look for your auntie?
No.
Alright then. See you good?
Yeah.
What you doing, sir? We are dope, so. And by the way, are you fine up here?
Chill, my sister come up here. I mean everything on that chat, but what I'm not going to say nothing at time, just go keep it a secret. I'm going to fight, cut out tight, you see me?
Alright. But we have to go to talk about this, so we can't talk about it in the
Alright then.
So come here. Stay there, don't come outside. Don't come outside, you know. Alright, dress. you want over again?
You can't give me a 5,000.
Half 5, but half me I get. You can get 2.
Alright, then me say 50.
Alright, you want to the niece, then?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you.
Jesus. Boy, if our sister come on here, if you ever thought to know. Yo. Wake up, man.
What is that?
You will come make her come here for posing up. Oh, let me ask you something now. Oh, you want to know? You feel like boy come up here. It's so fast.
I'm not going to watch my niece.
But I like police name, so you are in farmer. Not like your farmer neither. Huh? Yeah, that's yeah, so no, because you know one, they are this right now.
I'm not telling nobody.
You know, tomorrow we are get the money. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm not kill her nothing. Just true, I know I mash up my plan. And I force me to see 500,000 in my name, so I can't mash up that. You see? So tomorrow you will get to go about your business.
Yeah, beg you, do please. Just let me go do. Me just not want to tell myself do. Me not telling nobody at all. Please just let me.
What? As a matter of fact, later. Don't talk. Because I want to go get later too.
Listen, please. If me sleep out tonight, think my boyfriend go lick me or something. Please, me can't sleep out tonight. Me I beg you do it, me go kill me with lick.
Yeah, I worry about boyfriend. I worry about my money. Don't talk.
Babes, wait, no babes. I'm not call this again. But so me use it. But it might defend you. What I want for the baby?
They say we have to get the money. When I get the money, we can't get the baby, and they say we can't call the police and then go kill her.
But here what I want. Me I try everything right now. Somebody me know. Me mass up and take some money from. See ya? And that still not catch me. This is half a million. This is just 70,000 outside. Right? You know what I'm doing that money? I go down a station and find 2 of the police there. I make them load it up and give them this money and I know that them will find my daughter.
So we not figure enough station.
Listen me,
one they can't listen.
This is me I say. Me I go down there.
The one they kill me pitney.
Listen me
so
I
what kind of station you talk about?
They have 2 police brethren with pipe.
Bush and grass.
Me nah, no, listen up.
Bush and grass.
Me say me they nah see when me go down there. But as know yourself, because I can't get the $1 million or the $2 million they want, I cannot get it. So I now sit down and have
one your woman, she can't help you.
She not no money. So you see things you know, nobody know what go on, all you see things and things, the money not there.
Listen to one thing now.
So here me I say now, what me I go do? What you have to do? You sit down here and crying like everything's all well.
Me stress, me have to sit down and color the book. Me stress, me want me pick the comeback home.
Alright.
And you talk about police.
Make a man.
You don't hear the man say
make me deal with it. Don't do nothing more. Just can't you call your book? Me go deal with it. Me now give them 1 red cent. And member say, me will find out who have my data before the day done. I watch and see. Me have them 2 you there go find it you with this money. Watch and see.
You go on, yeah? Go on. Make nothing wrong with me pick me and your woman we know. Hello, Emily.
Yeah, why please?
Yeah, what? Change your plan. Here, me I call link you right now.
Alright.
Hello. The phone come here. Give mommy a second. The phone come. Give mommy a second. The phone come. Phone come. That's a girl. You know what I'm saying? I said my phone come. Close the door. Close the door. That's a girl. You know, so go ahead and get the money. You don't get the money. I don't know money. I might have to just take the baby and carry back home and call it a day because you don't get the money.
But look how long I have been 3 hours a day, yo. And you know when you stay in yard for younger. And every time I'm there, I have to stay with him myself.
I understand. Remember, I may have a friend. And if you don't come through, it just don't come through. So I may have to go take the baby and come back home, you no work.
Alright, anything. You can go and play.
Yo. Where are you? What is this?
No worry about shit.
What are you doing?
The baby alright.
What are you doing? See more than baby.
You should know you can't see baby right now.
What?
Yeah, my friend. Listen how this one man say. I'm a friend now, but me know want to do this, but the 500 them all need it, brother. And it'll come like a play thing on the depot.
Where you go get it from?
You go off to Jimmy.
You not happy?
You go off to find, cause you gone, your sister gone, and the baby gone. No, go back to me get the money.
You really betray me. After all,
me want the money. Want the money and come along about 3 days and have a baby.
My daughter.
I go through hell with
You can't see my daughter.
Cannot say, nah, go see her.
What you doing?
Wake up in this. Wake up in this.
Your friend. You call my friend. I'll see that.
You know for chat, you know? You know for chat, tap nice. Yeah, contact boy, your friend.
What are you getting 500,000 from?
I'll interview you.
One way or the other, I never get it. See? Kidnap your fake, kidnap your picnic. Kidnap me for true now. If me not get that money then, no see him back again.
So let me go sell some mango and see if I can get the money to come here.
No, they don't know waiting again, you know, wait long. Wait too long now.
So I can't see my daughter.
There's no senior daughter.
You want to see my
Don't
daughter?
talk. 9 letters. By the way, when I treat my friend, you know, so Mom make a gift for Sarah one time. But see after that, you know, I see him again till me get my money. And I will get you water same time too. By the time I come back with the water on the most good. Get two of them.
No matter
Don't worry yourself about that, man. Come talk to your mother. I want to give me a blade. One blade. Now we'll go to the door and come back. Now we'll go to the door and hide and come back. Stay with mom here. Alright. I'm going to buy water and come back. Make sure so when I come back everything done.
What do you feel?
Baby, I'm not with police.
Hi.
Take the time and pull it through like this. Pull it for mommy. Yeah, pull it for mommy. Pull it. Yes, sir. Yeah, my baby. Thanks.
You want that?
How you find her?
Then call me and say me have to come up there. Come tell him so we never get through the money. I'm going to go up there and then tie me up.
Come here.
And my daughter say,
You alright?
Yeah.
What part you did there?
Just time me
Oh, time me up.
one big girl tie me up and him up.
Alright. Come in here. Come in here.
They never finish your work. Don't say no, I'm not so
Which part in gone? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go do it. Alright, this is alright. I'm gonna do it. Come on, you don't have sleep. After Monday, I want them money. Eh?
oh, so you come to kill me.
Brother, me chat, you know.
As a friend, you come to
Me
kill
inform,
me.
you know.
Inform me, but you inform for yourself.
No inform for the
You
two,
kidnap
the
the
two
three
away.
away.
Yeah,
Remember?
but you kidnap your own daughter. You make me
That
keep her
was
up
a
there.
joke.
That was a
You
joke,
take it
well.
per- Remember say, me and you make one joke.
Me can tell
And
you
me tell you, say me a
everything
come
what
to
go
care
on.
about them. Me can tell the police them what you do.
Me can the whole away.
Me
no
and
go
your
jail
friend and
then.
you come to stab me up with knife and me your friend. What kind of friend you be? Me and your friend, you know. And you come take up knife off of me. And me here they come for how much years now? 16 years me and your friend and you come to stab me up, girl. And me and your friend for 16 years now. You come to stab me up for money. Money what don't belongs to you.
Never belong to you, nigga, but me not do nothing. You can't do anything.
So put on your knife and come here so we talk and we can talk, G. You see me? Come here so me and you make a plan. A plan no work out. Me no get no money, make a plan. A plan no work out. You no get no money and me no get no money. And as a friend, come over here so me talk to you. As a friend, you should do. Come over here with knife to kill me and me and your friend. You go feel it, you know. And me I go feel it, you know. And you go feel it. And you go feel it, and me I go feel it. Tell you say you go feel it. And me you come to kill. Call the police, sister. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. No. Yeah, again.
Girl, that makes me expansive. You know, see, I'm wicked.
You come in my room for talk or you come in my room for say, you know, say wicked and stay for me. What your problem? What you want?
Oh, you have kidnap your woman or daughter?
And you don't say look a bit and chat too much. You know what happened?
Tell me what.
Me say no come dictate me if tell you what. Yeah, me tell you what me want tell you. Me send her around and my friend to make his father give money. And father don't want to give me nothing. And my friend decides to tell me his father not give me no money. His friend decides he want to kidnap a whole away. Just because she want me baby father money. So she kidnap a whole away. Because she want me baby father money. So don't tell me some wicked because you don't know what's happening.
But me know what happened though.
What happened?
Just a come from some part your friend tell me the full story.
Okay.
So I plan to kidnap the baby to get money from me. Am I such a stingy man? If you ask me for it, would I give you? When me and you there, me I give you money, me give you money left, me give you money right, me give you money,
You're not giving it to me, you're not giving me it.
Yes, me not give it because we no longer in our relationship, but before that,
but me
as you
say,
say,
man, can't change.
Mama, me say, as you say, man, me say, eh. As you say, man, me say, eh. Back in ideas. And now.
That back in ideas.
Yes, because.
So want me to know in the days.
As me say, me want something, you say, eh. And then when you say you want money, me say, eh. So that time we did do something. So we did work with it. So make it on. That's about now that.
But now that you plant he and he grow he and the baby come he, you're supposed to give me he.
And mine he.
Okay.
Baby. Me minding the baby. We have no longer. Listen, it's a contract, you know. When we sign on the line. I take care of my picnic. You can't say that about me. I give you money to maintain it. Why should I spend money for you, man, in a relationship?
Me and your baby mother.
Yes.
Can that change?
No.
Can that change?
That not change.
Okay.
But what you're doing out there with the different guys, can that change?
What may I do with different guys? We know about me.
Listen up.
Remember, you know. You're a lucky man, you know.
No, Mr.
Remember, you can't come out, you know. Because your woman like your you know.
Yeah, me in there.
So you can't come out.
Wait, me can say something?
We don't want to say.
Oh, you night now. Oh, you want in there too? Come.
No, me just want to say something.
Yeah.
So, you left. Me don't understand this and at all.
Me and your sister not there again.
That not say you should still give money.
That me
Why?
try to say.
Why?
You see what me a try to say? At least you have said something what me a try to say. Because remember, you know, me there cocomelon free. And him come bring me.
The part there.
No, listen up.
You should still give money.
You have ex.
For yourself.
You have ex.
My ex them give me money.
Well, if your ex them is not really. Do you give them something too?
So you say them not understand.
When they say see the money, yeah, you know what come next. Me know you.
You run.
You run. You run, man. Yeah. Boy, you run. Me a Gina.
But
no,
but
if our ex them are idiot to gear, if our ex them are idiot to gear money and then I get it.
You know what they do really and truly? It is illegal.
Why illegal?
What?
No, if you kidnap some false accusation, say kid, I should not report your station.
Me no say wrong with this stuff, but
what me say? Anyway, we don't see what you are dealing with. But my advice to you, do not pull that prank again. Because you know what happened? There's a story when the cow, when the boy cry wolf. If them cry wolf, when the wolf come for real, nobody turn up. So what if I'm for real now? I'm not going to show up, you know, because I got things I see and give me up.
If you don't want to show up, you don't show up, but I feel people.
No, but me I tell you, say me, I do my part.
You still,
do you want me to take it to
you're not do your part.
You want me to take it to
me?
No, me not going to mind you. Me I tell you, me not going to mind you. Can I go court then now? Can I go court? Because me not going to mind you.
Sister, no can go no.
Me and you not married, me don't mind you.
Me not going no court and no boy not give me no $2,000 money for no picnic.
Me not mind you. Because no me a wine you. I know me a paint and prime, you know
So you
me.
didn't wine me before.
That a before.
And you didn't bring your belly.
And I give you money that
So
time.
the belly are before or the baby
But me
still
give
there?
money
The
that
baby
time,
are before or the baby still there? Which one?
Listen, no, I take care of the baby. I take care of the
Remember,
responsibility.
say, I may be able to stay with.
Alright.
Yes, so I
Let me ask,
give
well, I
them
know,
baby
give me a
money.
chance to talk.
Go walk.
Let me ask you a
Go look,
question.
walk, my
You give me
friend.
10 grand every month.
No, not every week. Every week I give you 10 grand.
Sister, you give me 10 grand every month. You be able to go to school.
I take the baby to school.
Yeah, you bring him
I
to
take
school,
the
you
baby
don't
to
give him
school.
money.
No. I pay for lunch to the baby.
You pay for lunch machine.
Every week I pay.
Listen to me. Me
Don't-
give me daughter money to go to school
You now
every
give her no
morning.
money because me give her money too.
You
She
know,
has
go
saved money.
supermarket none tall.
No, you're joking. You're joking. I drive every man go to market and my daughter love to drink porridge a man in time. If you get him porridge, he say when I look out, look at egg and say it's salt. She don't eat it, she dash out at the door. So me have to make sure me get her something solid in the man if she go to school. So anyway, me not a long time.
When you're eating it, salt though, it is sweet, yo.
When me eat what?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? When me eat what?
I mean, you what?
You give me egg to eat?
You need salt though.
No, you never give me no egg. Me make my own porridge. Me and God look out something give me but me not eat
You
it
never
one side.
eat.
Me not eat it. I never eat it. You think me eat it? She actually eat it. Ask her.
I'm in a business about to.
Ah, she eat it. She should put her weight again.
Are you
But
eating?
no, she eat it.
Are you near me?
Me see you.
No, ah, she eat it.
You eat it.
Me say.
Watermelons.
Ah, your sister eat it.
I do eat.
I shall breed up, you know. I shall breed up.
Watermelon.
But the more time your sister fry it.
Me
and
say
me
do it
take her
like
and give up.
royalty and put in her family.
I should have breed them feed egg them.
Come on.
Alright.
That damn piece of shit.
We go over there and go
Come on.
check your friend. Your friend say he's nothing but we can go check. He go sue you.
You too.
I too want to go back court.
And you too.
Can you go say you involved in
And you
it?
too.
It one
You tell
alright.
me if you do it.
One alright.
You tell me if you do it.
Hold on,
You
wicked.
piece of shit. Get out here too.
Hold on, wicked like.
Drunk crown.
Man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground, man. In life and living colors. Just here reach to the end of this movie. Click the notification bell, man. Subscribe, you know what I mean? Tell a friend, you know what I mean? Spread it out there. You not do it for a long time, continue to do it. Somebody tell about the channel, you tell somebody about the channel. But you continue. So you want to go 100K. Just that we are trying to work on right now. To broaden the thing, man. You know what I mean? Authentic Jamaican movie. Right now, we're up on the verge of building a liquor restaurant to kind of help with the finance. Because I hear the complaint and you take what you take and you go do what you do. Saying this to say that everything that we do take money. When we don't have the money, it's harder to do what you have to do. We want to do some different type of movie still because I watched an interview the other day, right? Pertaining the Bob Marley show. And then them have said there's nobody in Jamaica to fill certain role in a certain movie. Listen to me. People them there. All different color, different creeds of people there. But there's not a platform for the people them. So if you don't know people, you won't get a chance in this country. Because there's no road set for nobody. So just like everybody who would fight for it, right? Like Bob Marley, one of them who would fight for it. Some get an easier way out, some get an harder way out. I want to tell you something. People out here fight for it the same way. And you will not see them. Because there's no opportunity for them to excel them thing forward. So when we come on, so we are the moving now. We are doing from the grassroots. I tell the truth. So you see any money gonna come through system, it not gonna reach out to the real people them. I tell you. Because them and them friend go scoop up that and do it. You know what I mean? So we know, as filmmakers now, have to go do it for ourselves. So me now, JAMMIWOOD, I try pave that way there. Fight, we are fight a war. No easy and not nice about it. I know that there's a lot of things where to improve. 100% for improvement. You know what I mean? And I know I have the capability to write movies for anybody in the world. I can write movies for any place in the world. But the same thing that come down to. Where is the platform? Where is the income? So we can, because you can be, Jamaica full of actors. Full of actresses. You know what I mean? But we don't find them yet. But just like you say, what if Bob Marley never get a mic to sing? Peter just never get a guitar for the strum? What if Bo never get a feel for run pan? You never know. So I want to have that platform there so them can showcase them talent. You know what I mean? So that's why we say JAMMIWOOD Studio. You know what I mean? I mean the studio. Turn the camera. We can see it in the back job. See it about us there? Right, we are build. That's the first step of it, you know what I mean? After a while we want to land for ourselves. Then we can build the building. You know what I mean? People that say, like Tyler Perry, yeah, I see how we want to do it. The same way we want to get a piece of land, we probably can tear it down and build up, farm up and get something up and running for real, in a real movie business. You know what I mean? And just stroke talk. But you take what you take and go do what you do. So this is the way how me navigate the thing for reaching. So my time, so my movie don't get to rewatch because I'm busy I build the thing. I have to knock it on myself and screw them myself because we don't have the money for those certain things, you know what I mean? So me have to do it. You know what I mean? So people see it and think say it's easy. It's never easy. But we are doing it. You know what I mean? So as we go along, hope you understand what we're trying to do, what we're trying to accomplish. Big up to the people who see the movie them and love them. Give thanks for support, you know what I mean? We do the best we can do, but we can do better. Just like how the world can do better, to help who I try to do better. But if nobody help, we go take our time and do it the same way. But give thanks to who help, you know what I mean? So give thanks to the support team. Big up Perkins, you know what I mean? Miss Williams, Damian. You know, there's a lot of different people. We have to big up Empress G. We have to big up. There's countless of people send a little donation now and then. Give thanks to them because when the time when you send it, we really need it. You know what I mean? So give thanks to one of them again who promise and not fulfill them promise yet. Because we still feel say one idea them will come true. You know what I mean? So there's a promise of comfort to a fool. You know what I mean? But sometimes a fool needs to comfort. You know what I mean? So for that, I can take what you take and I can do what you do now. We're there going to hold it off. So this is just one next movie where we'll do, and I hope that you appreciate it. If anything you find no mistake or no problem in it, please, I apologize in advance. Or you don't watch your this still, so we still apologize. You know better. But we are working on everything to make sure it's better. We try to get a camera. We try to get 2 cameras. So I can shoot from 2 different angles better instead of uncut. You know what I mean? Because the uncut swing the camera too much, so my time I don't like that. But if you have 2 same camera now, you can cut because you want to do enough work. You know what I mean? We are trying to do more work so you get more entertaining. So just moved to JAMMIWOOD Studio, so it's kind of slow building up inside while I shoot movies. So I want brain and I want body, so I take the time. You know what I mean? So time to come, we can go back to regular, we can get 2 movies per week. You know what I mean? So for now, still we are doing the best we can do. You know what I mean? Continue supporting us, please and thanks. And spread the news, spread the word. You know what I mean? We try fight feet. You know what I mean? We want next generation to come, take it from power left here and push it further. We don't want the bad mind vibes tonight, because I come with bad mind already, we see. You know what I mean? They come with it. Like black people just have a tendency to want more than what them can really chew and fight against one another. We're not depend on that. You know what I mean? We depend on upliftment, forward movements, you know what I mean? Forward thinking. You know what I mean? Miss Williams, dig up yourself, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Empress G.